welcome back to Project Frankenstein. Today, like always, I have no clue what I'm doing, but we're gonna find something. Engine should be done soon. Should have it back by this weekend, so that's pretty cool. So, I mean, really, that's gonna be huge, you know? Boom. Yeah. So we still have to mess with this seat. I was looking at this tranny position too. It doesn't look as bad now from up top. I'll show you that here in a second. But we gotta clean under this bad boy too. So maybe we'll mess with that a little bit. Yeah. This is my boy Blue. Yeah, good boy. That's right, Bubba. Yeah. If you're asking yourself, why doesn't he get a vacuum or an air compressor or any of those things? I just don't have it. So the extension cord doesn't fit all the way out here, and I'm not gonna go buy one right now. So boom. So I'm not sure what this box is, but this is all the cabling that came out of it. I'm guessing, what I'm speculating is that this used to be a tow truck, the front half. And so maybe it had something to do with that. So if anybody knows what this is, let me know. I mean, I'm not gonna use it, I wouldn't think, but just out of curiosity, those are the ports that are on there. My guess, I think this was a tow truck, the front half. So maybe this is something related to that. Man, I really wish I had something that made it easier to clean this out, but it's definitely looking better. There's a ton of dirt in here. There's still a ton of dirt under the seat. But you can see it's definitely looking better. That's the original paint, which is cool. Got it all cleaned out. I don't know if I should have, but I swept all the glass down there, so I'm gonna have to pick it all up. That was maybe not the smartest move, but there you go. I put the tire there just as a temporary prop so I could get more underneath it. Actually, I think that's gonna work out pretty good. All right, you can see it's definitely helping. There we go. Much cleaner. Still a bunch of stuff. I just uncovered all of that. So this tire is definitely helping lift everything up. Let's go to the other side. So far from perfect. but you can see the amount of dust and dirt I got out of there. That tire really helped, actually, to kind of get everything lifted up. I'm still sweeping, but definitely a huge difference. That's so cool. I mean, this paint underneath is pretty good, considering how the rest of it was. All right, so definitely way better. Definitely still some dirt, but not nearly what it was. And now it's substantially cleaner. So, and then I basically got everything. I left the shifter because, you know, I'll put that in pretty quick. It's not really doing much. But I basically got everything out of the cab too, so now there's nothing back here anymore. And yeah, so doing a lot better. Boom. And always like, subscribe, check out my friends' channels, which I will put at the end of this video. And
all right, boom, baby, give us 10,000 likes. Boom, baby.